So it's break time. Need a little water after moving rock. It's never easy. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Cynthia, and I moved to this island about a year ago. And I was living in the Bay Area for 20 years before that as a yoga teacher. And I was just looking to get out of the city. I was looking to find a community that was more attached to nature and growing food and all of that. So that's why I came.
Yeah, that's pretty much the reason I did get out of the city and become one with nature. It's a beautiful...
I met Jeremiah and Mopua through friends, and I told Jeremiah I want to come and help him out so I can learn more.
Nice, and apply it to your place?
Yeah, in the future.
Did you buy a place or you...
No, actually I was just talking to him. I'm going to build a tiny house on a friend's property. So Jeremiah's going to help me.
Nice. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
So this is the curry tree. This is where I get my curry leaves from, dried and grounded. It gives me curry. This is the curry berry. That's very delicious. Delicious fruit. This seed will now grow into another tree, and it's great. Very spicy, very healthy, very healthy. This is a sugar cane right next to it. I'm growing the sugar cane. It's a grass. This will fall down on the ground, and then these are the new sprouts, and then the cane will keep spreading. And so this is where all cane sugar comes from for sweetening your sweetness. And so I can make my own sugar with the sugar cane. I can crush it and juice it, or I put it in a mill, and then we add it to things like the pineapple. So I have the sugar cane growing right next to the pineapple, which is right there. Let's see if we can see the pineapple. It's overgrown, but they're still growing, and I have probably 60 pineapple varieties. They're all in there. These weeds are Shaggy's favorites, so I can weed and feed Shaggy, my lovely sheep, at the same time, because he loves this. Soursop. And I grew up climbing this. I had a tree like this on my home, and just the most amazing smell, and since found out that this cures cancer. You make tea out of these leaves, and it's an incredible healing plant.
Wow.
It's been proven. They had some studies in Jamaica, and a lady drank just tea, well, other things too, but tea made from these leaves, and totally cured her cancer.
Wow.
So,
that's a great story, yeah.
And these are my bonsai cherry trees. I keep short, and just by pinching the tips of the ends of your tree off will train it. That's the Apical Meristem. That will train your plants to stay at your height, and my goal is to keep my trees at this height. So as you can see, even this tree here that's getting bigger, I come over regularly and I'm like, okay, you're getting kind of tall, and I just do that, and then this tree will stay at this height. This is a beautiful ice cream bean tree, and I like this height, and the more I have of this, the better. All livestock love this tree. Ice cream bean, nutritious, a nitrogen fixer, beautiful, delicious fruit pods. And I can, when it gets too much, I can cut off these extra branches and I can compost them, or I can put them at the bottom of another garden bed. All right. So composting is critical for organic farming, all kind of farming. This is done before a chemical company. This is your independence and your sovereignty, is to make your own compost, make your own soil, your own nutrition. This is mailbox, a cardboard box, shredded paper, newspaper, brown grass. These things all break down. If it was grown in nature, it's broken down. So this has been going on now Probably I got it 4 months. I have worms in here, shredded paper, and they just go in here and they break things down amazingly. This is soil. This is life. All life has to come from here. There's a little baby worm right here. Decomposers, earwigs, cockroaches, centipedes, ants, millipedes, worms. These are what's happening. So this is my worm bin. Yes, there's roaches jumping in and out of it. And I just keep adding to this. I don't need to turn it. It's filled with worms. I mean, they're just jumping out of here. They're super happy. They don't like the sun, so I put them back really quick. So I continually compost here, and then I will harvest it. And then this is going into the garden bed as well. All right.
So you planning to do a border of fruit trees around the house like this?
Yeah, and the idea is to bring the birds, the bees, the butterflies, the pollinators. It's beautiful. The aroma. They're bonsai, and they're at least 10 feet away from your roof, top of your house, and you're below the rooftop because trees are a pathway for vermin to go into your house. So if a tree is too close to a plant, anything's too close to your house, something can climb on it and get on top of your roof, or you know, get into your house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.